Hey there, and welcome. If you're watching this, you're probably a product manager, startup founder, team leader, or maybe even a solo creator juggling ideas, deadlines, team members, and product releases. And if you've ever felt like you're drowning in spreadsheets, jumping between tools like Trello, Jira, Asana, Slack, and Google Docs, just to keep track of what's happening, you're not alone. Managing a product from concept to launch is hard enough. Managing it across disconnected tools, that's chaos. That's exactly why I created the Product Roadmap and Task Manager template for Notion. This isn't just a set of pages thrown together. It's a thoughtfully designed system built inside Notion to give you a clear, simple, and effective way to manage your entire product workflow in one place. Let me walk you through what this template is, how it helps, and what you get when you download it. At its core, this template helps you do three essential things. First, it lets you build and visualize a product roadmap. Second, it gives you a connected task management system so you can break down your roadmap into action items. And third, it includes prioritization, backlog tracking, version control, and collaboration tools, all tailored to help you focus, align your team, and ship faster. Let's start with the roadmap. Inside the template, there's a dedicated database where you can list out your product initiatives, whether it's launching a new feature, running a redesign, onboarding users, or preparing for a big update. Each project can be assigned to a status, like planned, in progress, or shipped. You can also set timelines, owners, tags, and link it with associated tasks. Whether you prefer Kanban, timeline, or calendar views, you've got them all in one click. It gives you a bird's-eye view of where things stand, what's coming next, and where the bottlenecks are. Now let's talk about task management. Each product initiative links to a task manager. You can break down big projects into smaller, manageable tasks, assign them to teammates, set due dates, priorities, and track their progress. Everything is connected, meaning when you update a task status, it's reflected across your dashboard. No duplication, no confusion, just one source of truth. But I didn't stop there. This template also includes a feature backlog, a space to capture every idea, feature request, or suggestion that comes in. Whether it's from users, teammates, or your own research, drop it into the backlog and decide later whether it should be prioritized. Speaking of prioritization, there's a built-in RICE scoring system: reach, impact, confidence, and effort, so you can objectively rank tasks or projects based on real value. If you're more of a visual thinker, there's also an effort versus impact matrix to help you identify quick wins and high-leverage moves. One of the most overlooked parts of product management is version tracking, keeping a log of what changed, when, and why. With the version control system included in this template, you can create version notes, document changes, and track what's been shipped in each release. This helps with accountability, team communication, and even writing change logs for your users. But perhaps one of the most underrated aspects of this system is that it's collaboration ready. Whether you're a solo founder who needs structure, or part of a 5-person startup, or a 15-member dev team, this template is built to scale. You can share views with stakeholders, assign work across the team, filter what each member sees, and customize the system to your unique workflow. You don't need to be a Notion expert to use this. It comes pre-built with smart filters, templates, and databases already connected. All you need to do is duplicate it into your workspace, add your content, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about what's included when you download it. You'll get a complete Notion workspace that includes a product roadmap dashboard with multiple views, a task manager linked to each project, a backlog system for storing feature ideas and user feedback, a built-in RICE prioritization and effort impact matrix, version tracking system for release management, team collaboration features, sample data and setup instructions, and lifetime access to all future updates. Whether you're building your first product or managing multiple releases a quarter, this system will help you stay organized, stay focused, and ultimately deliver more value to your users without the chaos. So if you're ready to streamline your workflow, simplify team communication, and bring clarity to your product process, ye can grab your copy today on Gumroad. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and here's to building better products faster.